Do you need to get your exercise, but you hate doing it, or you can't find the time? Me too. Fun for the whole family, including the dog. Enter Cubii Pro, let's unbox. Hey guys, so this is my unboxing of the Cubii Pro. I'm obviously not a very big fitness person, but I figured this would be an easy way to at least get myself to move a little bit. Alright, so inside we have a quick assembly montage ready. So it's telling me exactly how to set this thing up, so hopefully I can do this properly. Got a little story thing here, so let's see IQ because, etc. We have a micro USB, I wish it was a Type-C, but it's fine. I don't know what these are yet. We have all the tools. I'm going to pull this thing out. First thought is, wow, that's heavy. The two pedals in the box, screwdriver, some screws. So it looks like the pedals are labeled for me. So we have a right and left. Okay, so it says to do the right pedal first, but I have the left one here and I really don't see a difference. So what we're gonna do is there are two holes here. And on the back here, there are two little things that stick out a bit more. So we're just gonna slide those on there. It says to flip over. We then have our screwdriver. I can't believe they gave a screwdriver. It's pretty crazy. So that it's nice and firm on there. Okay, now we're gonna repeat with the right. I mean, that feels pretty easy. So it also includes two chair wheel stoppers. I guess that's just to help so like your chair isn't rolling backwards. I'm curious to see how this works later. The Cubii Pro does have an adjustment knob for the strength of the magnets, though I admit I wish it could go a bit stronger than 8. Even though I personally would have to build up to it, I wouldn't mind the option for when I get svelte and thin and fit, you know? Make sure you put your feet at the bottom of the Cubii. If you place them higher, it can lift the wheel up, which can slam down. It's whisper quiet. I had a moment when I thought it was loud, but tightening the screws a bit more underneath the pedals made it disappear. The Cubii wheel stopper works as advertised. Holy shiz though, the chair does not move, even with only one stopper being used. It fits easily under my desk, and even pedaling as hard as I can, my knees do not hit the desk. Cubii Pro also connects to an iOS or Android app to record how you use it and track calories. It also connects with many health apps, including Apple's. In a swing and a miss, they did not think to make the resistance adjustable in-app, though you can see the battery percentage. There's also a link to the Cubii's workout page with live workout classes, training plans, and more, though you'd never catch me in a live workout class schedule. You can also add a daily exercise goal to track and look at previous workouts and by day, week, month, or year. Plus, if you're the sort of person that works well when being supported by others, they include a community to join and compete in wellness journeys.